Hello and welcome back to 605 Sports Cards. Today we're going to be jumping into a Phoenix, which looks like a hobby box, but this is the premium box. I think you get the same amount of cards. We got one back there, 5 packs, or 5 cards per pack, 12 packs. But you'll get the 1 autograph and 1 mem instead of the 2 autographs and mem in this. So, 150 bucks, I believe, is what these are selling for on Walmart. I believe they're all sold out. Snagged 1, so pretty much you could get 2 of these plus tax for about the price of a hobby box. So you still get 2 autos, you get the extra mem. I don't know how far as numbered cards and stuff will link up, but pretty much a hobby box. And I mean, 2 of these, I don't know if you have better odds of hitting stuff, but we're gonna do 1. And then maybe a little later on we'll compare it to a hobby box of Phoenix. Again, one of my favorite. Probably as far as hobby boxes that I can get into, probably one of my favorite. So get into here. That opened up. There we go. Phoenix Premium Box. So 12 packs in here. Let's get into it. I think the next thing released will be a Rookies and Stars hobby boxes and hobby stuff. So might be able to get one of those. They aren't too expensive. Certified right now is also pretty decent priced. Dylan Sampson, Chris Godwin, and these are like the Pandoras to 189. So cool cards. And that's kind of what you get a lot of, I feel like, in these, is a lot of those to that number. I think the Phoenix, you'll get the hobby box, you get a little better variety in your numbered cards as far as lower numbers, probably some higher numbers. But the Pandoras do look good. And we got Marvin Harrison on the Thunderbirds, just a silver. Quincy Williams, Ray McLeod, and Justin Herbert. That feels real thin. All right, we got Carson Schlesinger for a rookie. Travis Hunter on the Paragon, so nice silver Paragon, good looking card. Not bad one there. Jim Zorn, Big Ben, and Ahmad Rashad. So pretty much 3 base cards per pack. 2 either kind of insert number card or rookie. Per pack, it's coming up. Scatterboo on the base. And another Pandora looking one. Ollie Gordon the second, not numbered. This kind of looks like a silver. Jonnu, Tajay, and Braylon Allen. And this one feels like it'll probably be our mem. I don't know if you get RPAs and stuff in here. I don't know if I've noticed anyone pulling. I think there usually are just patches, not RPAs, which you will find in the hobby boxes. Alright. We'll start with the back cards here. Malik Neighbors, Trevor Lawrence, Chuba Hubbard. And just a base on the front. See what we're rocking. We do have a rookie. Tennessee Titans, Cam Ward. No, it is a RPA. Nice one. Shimmery DK. He's had himself a pretty good year. I think he's kind of a surprise for a lot of people. So I guess you do get RPAs. I have not seen any of those really out of 199. So there you go. Answered that question. Can get RPAs out of these. Again, take them with what they're worth. They are not going to be any game event, so Pretty simple patch, nothing real exciting there, but on the Pandora, so pretty good looking card. I'll have to cut this, I think, to get it in a sleeve. There she goes, maybe. I don't know if I have any chunky sleeves big enough for these. These are pretty thick. We'll search one out later. So there we go. DK RPA. So I guess we should maybe still have just a patch card coming. Be pretty sweet if we got lucky and got Panini the other way and got an auto on just a regular auto. Brock Purdy to 125. Lamar, Myles Garrett, another Brock Purdy base. I'd say that's a pretty good auto pull out of this. Rashard Smith's rookie and Kyle Shanahan. Not a big fan of really coach cards, I guess. I'm sure they got their market, but yeah, not for me. If there was anything special, there wasn't a numbered card, just the base silver there. Trey Harris, Thunderbirds. Poor JJ McCarthy had a 249. Puka, Trey Tucker. I don't know what's going on in Minnesota, but they really fell off the wagon this year. All right, Jalen Milroe, another Thunderbirds. Texans going to be CJ Stroud, and that looks like it's just the silver. All right, 3 packs left. The next one looks like it has there, so we'll save it for last. Going to be a mem. Landon Jackson. Graham Mertz, rookie on the silver Pandora. McConkey and Parsons. All right, I'll save the big thick one for last. So for 150, pretty solid product, really. I think all the Tyler Shaw starting quarterback there on the contours. Nice looking insert. Silver. Clay Matthews, Bo Nix, and AJ Green. Most of these premium boxes have been pretty solid so far, I feel like, for the price. A lot of number cards. And the auto is nice, so kind of cool to have them this year. Last year, Panini really getting the licensing. PJY. LBN, CD, Keon. And I got Tyler Shaw hiding it here. And I'll put CD on the back and flip it. I imagine it to be too great since we did get a decent auto. Luther Burton of the Chicago Bears is our patch. And no, it is numbered as 699. So pretty high number there. See if this guy fits into his fatter sleeves. So that one fits just fine, it looks like, maybe. Oh, there it goes. Man, we're having a hell of a time with these. I know these are thicker sleeves, they just aren't wanting to take them. There we go. So, nice rookie on the patch. Didn't hit much out of number cards really to write home about, but yeah, I mean, that one's quite a bit thicker. But nice autograph, nice patch, and at least got numbered autograph. So shimmery DK on the autograph. So that'll do it for the Phoenix Premium box. Not too disappointed. I feel like we did all right. It was a fun box for 150 bucks. Don't feel like you're risking quite as much as with some of the other hobby boxes out there, especially when you get those high dollar ones. Feel like it's too pricey for me to get into them. But these ones, you know, $250, $300, they're fun to get every now and then these ones for $150, pretty good deal. So that'll do it for this box of Phoenix. Look forward to the next video. We have some Phoenix Hobby plus a lot of other retail stuff out there, and still one more Bowman Chrome U sitting back there, hobby box. So stuff to look forward to. I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Good luck ripping.